How to add debit or credit card in Indigo's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. If you are on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let's move into Google Chrome. In the source bar, you have to search for indigoscard.com. It will be landing you on the official page of Indigo. Once you are in here, first of all you need to log into your specific account. In order to do that, tap on My Account at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your login credential as in your username and the password and tap on Login. Once you have logged into your account, you need to head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into Payment Method. Once you head over to Payment Method, you will see the option where it says Credit or Debit Card. Click on it. Now you simply have to enter all of the details of your card. Enter your card name, number, expiration date, CVV number, and many more. Once you have entered, tap on Save. After that, your credit or debit card will be added successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in Indigo's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.